Hello?
Hello, teacher.
Can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Good. Can you see me?
Yes, teacher.
Perfect. Okay, so I am teacher Amy. How about you? What is your name?
Summer.
Oh, hi, Summer. Nice to meet you.
Nice to
Summer?
meet you, teacher.
Oh, thank you. So, how old are you, Summer?
6.
Oh, you are 6 years old. Summer, can you say, I am 6 years old? Go.
I am 6 years old.
Very good, Summer. That's correct. So let's start. Are you ready, Summer?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so let's start our lesson. Summer, what can you see on the picture?
I don't know, teacher.
Oh, it's okay. Teacher will help you. So that is letter A. Can you see it, Summer?